Hello children, hope you all watch top 10 programming languages in 2020 part 1 video. So in that video we discussed about 5 programming languages and other 5 programming languages we are going to discuss about in this part 2 video. So let's start from the 5th position. At the 5th position we have Golang. Now developed by the tech giant Google itself, Golang boasts features such as concurrency, which is very difficult to come by the other programming languages. Now Google's versatility as a company definitely reflects in this language, as it rules domains such as machine learning right up to web development, but it highlights has to be system development, which is possible only due to Golang's scope for high scalability. Now, despite being relatively new, Golang does have a few solid frameworks under its belt, namely we have Rebel and Bebo. Now it has a budding community of over 10,000 repositories on GitHub, and companies such as Cisco, Capgemini, Springboard and Tech Systems are hiring developers for $170,000 per annum. Next, at the 4th position, we seems to have a tie, C and C++. These are often the programming languages which act as stepping stones for budding programmers. Now, both of these languages continue to retain their functionality and popularity despite the availability of a few other quality alternatives in the modern market. Now they rule about 20% of the entire coding world, thanks to the legacy system as well as a few inherent features. Both of these languages boast a big following on GitHub, with C at 9 million repositories and C++ at 114,000 repositories. A few examples of success on both of these languages are eBay and Spotify for C and Adobe and Oracle for C++. Major companies that are hiring developers in these languages are HP, Wipro, IBM and PhonePe. So what that? We moved on to our top 3 position. At number 3 we have JavaScript, universally known as the languages of the web developers. JavaScript is a feature-rich object-oriented scripting language. Now, what started as a simple client-side scripting language, slowly it boosts major frameworks for both front-end and back-end development. A few of the popular frameworks based on JavaScript are Angular, Vue, Node.js, etc. Knowledge about JavaScript language opens up doors for opportunities from tech startups to tech giants like Google, Facebook, Dell and SAP. Not just that, JavaScript have a huge community following by 600,000 plus repositories on GitHub. At number 2 on the list, we have none other than Java. Now, Java is the most popular programming language when it comes to the number of job openings, widespread community acceptance, and developers community. Now, Java is an open source programming language and relatively easy to learn. It provides itself on a number of powerful features such as strong memory management, backwards compatibility, top-notch security and high performance. It is a cross-platform programming language which serves as a base for of frameworks such as Spring and Hibernate. A number of programmers starts as a Java developer in the IT industry because the top-notch companies such as HCL, Wipro, Tech Mahindra and Capgemini are hiring talented Java developers. And Java has a huge active community on GitHub with over 1.2 million repositories. Now finally we have made it to the top of our list. At number 1, as you all of you might already have guessed, yet again we have Python. Now Python is an open sourced object oriented interpreted language mostly used to develop graphical user interfaces. Now these are used for imaging softwares like Paint Shop Pro. Not just that, multiple popular frameworks such as Django, Flask and Pyramid and apps such as the Google App Engine are also based on Python. Not just that, now Python is an easy to use general purpose programming language which is easily integrated with C as well as C++. It also provides cross browser support now with over 1 million repositories on GitHub. No wonder a Python is one of the most desired programming skills for the year 2021 with a Python skill set. Companies such as Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify and Paytm are hiring employees those who have Python skill. So this concludes the list of top 10 programming languages for the year 2020. Now there are few other languages such as Julia, Ruby, Rust, Scholar, etc. which almost made it to the list but somehow missed the market. With the growing rate of their popularity, we will discuss about it. Okay children, thank you.